Hey guys, what's up? Back with another wash day tutorial. This one's going to be a little bit different. I usually do my tutorials outside of the shower because I always found it a little difficult doing it in the shower, but did a little experiment this time. I'm not perfect, it's not perfect, and I, for the most part, just wanted to show you the delivery of using these amazing products while I was in the shower, because honestly, I have the best results when the steam and the moisture is all in there and you can see how the products actually absorb into my curls. So this week I used Bask and Bloom. I am an ambassador for them for the next few months, and I was so honored to be chosen for their ambassador program, and I really enjoyed using these products on my wash day. Usually when washing goes very smoothly, I know the products are an A+. Okay, so I will be showing you step by step how I did go through my wash day, and I'll be showing you individually each product that I used. I will show it in the video as well, but just to kind of explain each product itself. So I did start off with the shampoo bar, which is with Rossul and bentonite clay. And this, I just loved the shampoo bar. Like, my hair felt clean after I used it, but my hair didn't feel stripped. Like, it was honestly an amazing experience. And I'm not really a shampoo bar girl. Like, I've just been kind of getting into that. So using this was really moisturizing for my hair. I didn't have any bad experience with. After that, I went in with the Brahmi Root hair mask. It was right here. It is a thick, creamy consistency. I was nervous about it because my hair usually isn't the biggest fan of thick, deep conditioners. I've always found that it just sits on top of my hair, but not this bad boy. And you will see it. There's so much curls in this video. Like, I didn't even want to edit it out because I just wanted to show you all this curl love. Just my curls, just juicy and bouncing and just drinking up all the goodness of this product. So I went in with the mask after that. And then what you're also going to see me do in the video is I did use the Ease leave-in conditioner right here. I used it while I am in the shower. Now, a lot of people sometimes, you know, put their leave-in conditioner out the shower. Some people do use that technique. I have found applying my leave-in conditioner while in the shower is so much better because my hair, the cuticle is still open. It's still accepting all the great ingredients of a product, and my hair doesn't dry out as quick. I also put a plastic cap or a plastic bag on top of my hair when I come out of the shower, just so I can keep all the moisture in my hair before I'm ready to style. So you will see me doing that as well. So after putting in the leave-in conditioner, this is a thick consistency as well, kind of like the deep conditioner, but it just melted into my curls. Like, what? Y'all see the results? You looking at them right now. My curls shaking. After that, I used the LOC method. So leave-in conditioner, oil, cream. Leave-in conditioner I use in the shower. The oil is their stimulating oil here, the herbal oil. Now, this is used mainly for your scalp, which I did apply to my scalp as well, but I did apply some to my hair itself. Also, the Silky Aloe Curl Pudding, which I used to seal in this bad boy, which is the Mango Castor Twisting Cream. My love for this, it's amazing. And this is so moisturizing. Like, I can even tell on my hair, it's not as like big because I went in with this a little too much, but I love it. My hair loves moisture, and honestly, I think that it's great, especially in the colder months, and it makes your hair last longer. You know, it doesn't dry out as quick. The moisture is still in there. That can last a week, and I can't wait to see my end week results. And, you know, if you follow me on Instagram and actually LA, you'll be able to see it. I'm like big on day 7, 8, 9, 10 hair these days. What? Never used to be a big fan of that. Never could get to that point. I could never even get to day 7 sometimes. But I am learning how to better take care of my hair and to make it last. But without further ado, this is a very long, elaborate introduction. Let's watch how these beautiful products work into my curls. Just keep watching.